Okay, so let's proceed to the topic about identifying the center and radius of a circle. There are times when the equation of the circle is given in the form x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So this is the general equation of the circle. It can also be transformed into the standard form x minus h raised to 2 plus y minus k raised to 2 is equals to r squared by completing squares. So this form also gives us information about the graph of the circle, the location of its center, and the length of its radius. Okay, so let's take for example, find the center and the radius of the circle with the equation x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 4y plus 12 is equals to 0. We recall if the line is tangent to a circle, then it is perpendicular to the radius drawn at the point of tangency. So this may be illustrated as follows. If M is a line tangent to a given circle at a point S, then the line perpendicular to M at point S passes through the center of the circle. So let's try to look at this figure. A circle of a radius 4 has its center in the second quadrant and is tangent to be the y-axis at 0, 1, and then find the equation of the circle and its x-intercept. Using the fact illustrated here, the center of the circle lies on the line y is equals to 1 and must be 4 units from 0 and 1, which is on the circle. Thus, the center is at negative 4 and 1, and the equation of the circle is x plus 4 raised to 2 plus y minus 1 raised to 2 is equals to 4 squared. So to find the x-intercepts, let y is equals to 0. So thus we have x plus 4 raised to 2 plus negative 1 raised to 2 is equals to 4 squared. So let's simplify first, and then we are going to copy the x plus 4 raised to 2 and then simplify the 4 squared. So 4 times 4, that is 16. And then the common factor value of x plus 4 raised to 2 is x plus negative 4 with the positive and negatives, the square root of 16. So we have our x sub 1 is equals to negative 0.13. And the value of our x sub 1 is equals to negative 0.13, and the value of our x sub 2 is equals to negative 7.87. Okay, so let's proceed to the next topic with the title, using the equation of a circle. A line may intersect a circle at one point or at no point at all. So find the intersection of the line y is equals to 3x plus 10 and the circle x squared plus y squared is equals to 10. So we have a solution. Then substitute 3x plus 10 for y in the equation of the circle. So first we are going to substitute x squared plus y squared is equals to 10, and then the value of our y is 3x plus 10, so we copy the x squared plus, then our y is 3x plus 10, then raised to 2, then it is equals to 10. And then we're going to substitute the 3x plus 10 multiplied by itself. So the answer is x squared plus 9x squared plus 60x plus 100. Then copy the 10. And then we are going to add the x squared and 9x squared. So the answer is 10x squared. And I copy the 60x. And then subtract the 100 and the 10. So the answer is 90. Then is equals to 0. And then we find any number nga ma-divide ani nga equations, which is 10x squared plus 60x plus 90. So let's say 10. So 10 divided by 10 is equals to 1. So we have x squared. And for 60 divided by 10 is equals to 6. So we have 6x plus 90 divided by 10 is equals to 9. Then is equals to 0. Then we are going to find the factor of x squared plus 6x plus 9. So the answer is x plus 3 raised to 2 is equals to 0. So our x is equals to negative 3. It becomes negative 3 is because we transpose the positive 3, which is in this equation. The next is substitute for the negative 3 for x in the equation of the line. So our y is equals to 3x plus 10, and then the value of our x is negative 3, and then copy the 10. So y is equals to, simplify the 3 and the negative 3, so which is 3 times negative 3 is equals to negative 9, and copy the 10, and then we are going to subtract these two numbers. So negative 9 plus 10, that is that is positive 1. So our y is equals to positive 1. Thus, the only point of intersection is negative 3 and y, which is our x and y, and then therefore the line is tangent to the circle.